everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making lemon bars. Now these lemon bars aren't like your traditional lemon bars. They're not extra gooey or eggy. These are going to be more of a brownie cake-like consistency. They are really delicious. We have some secret ingredients we're going to be using today. They're going to be amazing. So let's get started. First things first, set your oven to 350 degrees. Grab your all-purpose flour. We're going to need 1.5 cups for this recipe. Half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick mix. Grab a second bowl, 3 room temperature eggs. Whisk your eggs. And now we're going to add our sugar. We're going to do half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of cane sugar. If you don't have brown sugar on hand, go ahead and just use 1 cup of cane sugar. Mix your sugar together with your eggs. Add half a cup of yogurt. This is my secret ingredient. This makes them a little bit more moist. For your yogurt type, just make sure it's unsweetened yogurt, preferably full fat. Mix this all together. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You typically don't see vanilla in lemon bar recipes, but I love to add it. Now we're going to add our lemon juice. It's going to be about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We're going to add our wet mixture to our flour mixture gradually and stir it until it's well incorporated. I've got my 8.5 by 11 baking dish lined with parchment paper. You could also use a 9 by 13 baking dish. And we're going to pour our batter into our dish. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It's going to be delicious. They're ready. Yummy. Our lemon bars cooked for about 30 minutes in the oven. So you're just going to want to keep an eye on it once it hits 20 minutes. Use a fork or a toothpick and just make sure it comes out clean. So again, mine took about 30 minutes. Once we've got them cool, we're going to just add our finishing touch and sprinkle a little powdered sugar over the top. Our lemon bars are topped with powdered sugar. Looks so delicious, smells so good. I've cut a slice and now it's time for a taste test. Mike, are you ready?
Me?
Yes, you.
All right.
Let's do this.
Wow, what a blast of citrus. This is amazing.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy these delicious lemon bars. If you like this recipe, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on our video. And for more recipes, be sure to visit our blog, nestinnature.com, which is linked in the description below. Thank you guys again for watching. Hope you have a great day.